Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung S9 Plus. Supposedly Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus version internationale, because it's from France. Apparently, even though I bought it from Amazon, but it's the international version. Here is all the details. So let's get straight to it. Let's cut the plastic foil just a little bit so I don't harm the box. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so as we can see, absolutely no seal. I don't know if there should be one or not, but there's no seal whatsoever. Or at least not yet, maybe it's still inside. Okay, I harmed the monster puppet. So, okay, we have the seal here, European SIM card only, nice. Why I'm looking at the seal? Because when I got the S7 Edge, it actually came with a seal inside the bag. So, yeah, that's odd. It's definitely an odd placement for the seal. So, let's see what we have inside. Nice box, Samsung on it, pretty solid. European SIM card only, and ta-ta-ta-ta! Okay, so we have actually the phone there, the SIM card remover, and the manuals, I'm guessing. For some reason, whenever I pull these out, I expect to find an Apple sign. I don't know why. They just changed the size and they look a bit like the Apple-ish type. Okay, so we'll turn it around like this. We'll see and turn it on soon. This is the normal USB connector to... Oh, so it's to a USB-C connector, okay, nice. For some reason, the adapter is not normal. You can see it's bent. That's not nice, but still, yeah, it definitely is bent. This one is a little bent, but this one is really bent. Okay, it will unbend for sure. So inside we should have the key. Oh, nice. So they also included the USB-C. I'm not sure if the camera will focus. So a USB-C to micro USB, which is actually cool. Okay, nice. So what do we have here? We have the USB cable. Okay, USB to USB-C, cool. We have the AKG headphones, which is actually pretty nice. These should be really good headphones. Very nice, they have like a material texture on them. Okay, so they're not plastic up until here. Here it's rubber. Then from here it's the material type. And something else. Okay, so these are the ear plug replacements. And I think this is it, at least for the box. Okay, for some reason I always take these out, just curious. Very nice phone, very light. Okay, so let's actually turn it on. The buttons. This is plus minus. I'm not sure what this is, but nice. Ta-ta-ta-ta! S9 Plus. Secured by Knox, powered by Android. Hello. Not sure why it says hello. Starten. Okay, so I don't want Deutsch. I actually want English, so English yes. Okay, start. Connecting to the network. In the meantime, let's remove this from the back. Agree to term and conditions. So let's agree to this and not to diagnostic and to marketing. Why? Just because. And that's about it. If you liked it, hit like, hit subscribe. It will help the channel grow and make me do more things like this. Have a nice day.